So this is the beginning of the vlog, usually where I give you a little bit of a heads up, let you know what the episode's going to be about. Maybe, you know, do a little gag, you know, tell a funny joke before I show you the intro card. For example, what do you get when a Swift driver leaves a truck stop? You get 2 free parking spaces. How's it going, internet? What is happening? It is a beautiful evening today. I'm headed south on I-77, just south of Whiteville, Virginia. Making my way down to Florida. Roads are clear. It's warming up outside. It wasn't so pretty earlier today, or for that matter, last night. I left New York yesterday and got caught in a snowstorm on I-90. On dreadful I-90. I hate that place. Buffalo was horrible. It started snowing so bad I couldn't see anything. Cars were slowing down. It was a total whiteout. Wonder if there's any planes landing tonight. Everybody was crawling about 25 miles an hour. Every now and then getting up to 45, all the way down to Erie, Pennsylvania. It wasn't fun at all. Stopped in Erie, got me some coffee, cleaned my windows. Decided to show you guys what the snow looked like. There was some big snowflakes falling last night. Look how huge these snowflakes are. It's humongous. Dang. Even though the snow was pretty bad at times, I kept chugging along. My biggest issue was the snow and ice accumulating on my windshield wipers, to the point where it wouldn't even wipe anything and I couldn't see anything. It was getting pretty bad. I had to stop about every 20 minutes, get out of the truck, go outside and clean up the windshield wipers, knock the ice loose, just so I could drive, just so I could see where I'm going. I had to pull over again because I can't see out the window. It's freezing up. Everything's just freezing up right on the window. Finally, once I got past Pittsburgh, I decided to call it a night. Pulled over at a rest area and went to sleep. I was hoping that by morning time they'll clear up the roads, and maybe a little bit further south, and maybe that a little bit further south, the snow would clear away. But unfortunately, as I found out in the morning, it didn't clear away, and I kept driving through the snow all the way through West Virginia, pretty much all the way to Whiteville. It was snowing pretty bad. But as you can see, I'm out of it now, and I'm glad to be out of it. From here on, it's once I get out of these mountains though, it's gonna be easy cruising the rest of the evening. It's getting dark outside too, so I think I'm gonna be signing off. Well guys, I believe this is it for today. As you can tell, this is my very first vlog. I think this is gonna be fun. I'm gonna try to put these out as much as I can. I've got lots of ideas. If you like this kind of stuff, please hit subscribe below. That way you'll get notified whenever I come out with another video, another vlog installment. Hopefully they're gonna be pretty fun. A lot more fun than this one, I would hope. All right, I'm gonna leave you with a dope time-lapse video at the end. Whatever you're driving, whether it's a four-wheeler, a big rig, be safe out there. Peace.